Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing at 2810 Deerwood Court here in the beautiful city of Sherman. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, a study, and a movie room. Plus, out of those 4 bedrooms, you have the master retreat that has a massive walk-in closet. And on top of that, you still have 2 additional en-suites. So that means that 3 out of the 4 bedrooms have a connecting bathroom in their room, which is great for guests, in-laws, and any other thing you can think of. This gorgeous floor plan features this California style counter. It has white shaker cabinets. It has a range hood. Plus you've got gas stove. You've got tons of upgrades, stainless steel appliances. And let's check out the living room where you're gonna see the floor to ceiling sliding glass doors that really showcase the home. guys, so this beautiful home is built by Highland Homes. And as you know, they're a very reputable builder. You've got tons of space in this house. This is a master bedroom, which has been extended. You're gonna see plantation shutters throughout the entire home. It has beautiful 13-foot ceilings throughout the home and lots of upgrades, just like this beautiful chandelier in the bedroom. And you're gonna get to see the size of the master bathroom with a soak-in tub and a ginormous master walk-in closet. You're definitely going to want to check out the backyard on this gorgeous house that sits on just over a quarter of an acre. You've got so much space to really add on. You've got this beautiful covered porch that's already epoxied, lots of space to hang out, entertain, and you've got a killer backyard to put any kind of pool, plus still have room for extra activities and sports. This home also features a 3-car garage with additional storage space, so you're sure to have all the room that you could absolutely need. This home is available now, so make sure you give us a call for more information. And if you are thinking about moving to the beautiful city of Sherman, definitely give us a call. Schedule an appointment to come see this home. You're not going to want to miss it.